So my name is Joanne, and I am a liver transplant recipient. Family means everything to me, and my oldest granddaughter, Haley, likes to come for sleepovers. And we always went down to the pool. We did all kinds of activities. We did somersaults and played many, many different games. I used to do that with her every time she came. And then one time she came and I decided I couldn't quite do as much. So I slowed down a little bit and just did a little in the pool. And after that, a few months later when she came, I could do even less. And before I knew it, I was walking down to the pool and watching her, and I wasn't even able to go in. What was happening, and I didn't know, was my liver was failing. And I went to the South Health campus, and there I met a wonderful doctor, a hepatologist by the name of Dr. Aspinall. And Dr. Aspinall was the one who gave me news that I certainly didn't want to hear, but he gave me the news that I needed, and that was that I needed to have a transplant. I was told it would probably take about 2.5 years for me to get a liver, and that it would be best if I had anyone in the family or any friends that might be able to be a living donor. And we put the word out to the family to see if there would be anyone that would be willing to donate. The first thing that they had to do was to test for the blood to see if they were a match. And my nephew, Kevin, who lives in Ontario, was a perfect match. My health was deteriorating rapidly. I ended up being in and out of hospital for the next 6 months. It was crucial that this transplant take place, and I was so grateful that Kevin was able to be that donor for me. I had amazing surgeons. It's incredible what they can do. So they were able to remove my liver, transplant 70% of Kevin's liver into me, and he was left with 30%. His 30% grew back, and it's all back to normal now, and my liver has also regenerated. I spent the next 3 weeks in hospital after I got out of ICU. I was at University of Alberta Hospital in Edmonton. It was a wonderful experience, a wonderful care system. Now, today, I'm back. I'm back fully. I am walking 5 kilometers a day on a regular basis, able to play with the grandchildren. I'm able to swim and tumble and do all of the things I used to do years ago. I'm actually feeling better than I have in a good 5-6 years. That's all thanks to the gift of organ donation. My wonderful nephew, Kevin, giving me that gift of life and giving me the new liver. He calls it my liver. I used to call it his, but he says it's mine now, so I'm going to claim it.